Welcome to the next generation of LED bulbs, OptiCore, from Wintergreen Lighting. With OptiCore bulbs, you get better color, extreme durability, and even more energy efficiency to make your holiday lighting displays look great and remain maintenance-free. From the outside, many bulbs look the same, but OptiCore bulb lenses are made of polycarbonate rather than acrylic. Acrylic is 8 times stronger than glass, but polycarbonate is 200 times stronger. OptiCore bulbs are also more than 2 times thicker than standard bulbs. They can be dropped or stepped on and still work. They're so strong, they can even withstand being run over by a truck. This extreme strength makes them virtually unbreakable, but it's the combination of the extra thick polycarbonate lens and pure light source that gives OptiCore bulbs their vivid color. OptiCore bulbs feature new SMD LED technology with a diode that emits a solid beam of unfiltered light through the interior core of the bulb. This pure beam of light slows and resonates through OptiCore's thicker polycarbonate bulb lens, which gives the bulbs amazingly vivid color from base to tip while reducing the hot spots commonly found in other bulbs. OptiCore bulbs are available in C7 and C9 sizes across a variety of colors. Bulb finishes include classic smooth opaque and the signature diamond faceted style. OptiCore bulbs come with a 3-year warranty and are rated up to 60,000 hours of use for years of enjoyment. If you want a bulb that is extremely durable, long-lasting, and produces vivid color, OptiCore LED bulbs are the choice for you. Better technology, better color, better bulbs. Get yours today.